Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to draw this. I've already drawn it for them. But they started out with this, trying to make a 3D looking corner of like a pipe or whatever, square tubing welded together. And they thought if they squished this, they could rotate it, 120 degrees. But because they've squished it, and that's pretty close. I mean, it's would almost work, if you took maybe like the shape tool and move this up there. Matter of fact, that is going to work, but then rotate this 240 degrees, or maybe at just 180, 270. Anyway, whatever. Let's find out what the angle would be. 240. Thought that's what I put in the first time. And then you could make it work. But there's an easier way. It's kind of interesting. Take a six-sided polygon. Okay. Make a duplicate of it and then move this. Don't do that. Get the 4-point cross and move that there. Hit the plus key again and then grab that node and put it there. I don't know if you can see where I'm going with that. And then ballpark, you could probably get the exact, six-sided, well, let's just do it. Don't do that. Start moving it, and then hold down the control button. And then let's rotate that 60 degrees. Or maybe, 30 degrees, because we're rotating from the center of it. So that's going to get us this line that is equal to this line. And then you can move this up to there. Control D and make a duplicate and mirror it the other way. And I would take this right there. Something's off. That one's right. Let's back up here. Oh, you know what? I bet when I mirrored it from there, I just didn't have it long enough. Now let's mirror it. Control D and mirror it the other way. There we go. And then take your 2-point line and go from that node to that node. And then just delete these lines you don't need. First of all, delete these two outside lines. And if we look at it, just delete this, 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 and this. And voila, you have that 3D looking corner. I don't know what their plans are. A lot you could do with that. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.